Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I'd Known video. Today we're going to be talking about price gouging. Unfortunately, since the pandemic, it's something that's been happening way too often and pretty widespread in the RV industry as well as the automobile industry. You know, customers say, well, how do I protect myself? How do I know I'm being price gouged? Simple, make sure you check out our pricing first, right? If they're $8,000, $10,000, $5,000, $15,000, $20,000 above our price, you know you're being price gouged. And remember, you vote with your dollars. If you pay that huge price increase, you're telling the dealer it's okay. But not only that, you're harming your finances. You have to find someone to pay you that for the unit one day when you go to trade it in or you go to sell it outright so you can get another new one. You have to pay interest on that. You have to pay taxes on that money. But again, how do you protect yourself from price gouging? Check out our price on our website. Then you'll know if you're paying a good, fair price or if you're being taken advantage of. I just had the same thing happen to me on a car. I went to buy a car. I went to close the deal, and all of a sudden the price jumped $20,000, and the dealer called it a market adjustment fee. $20,000. I walked away. I'm not going to pay $20,000 more for the same thing. If you have questions or need help with this, call us at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page to see more videos just like this one.